I, Shri Sylvester Khandu, returning officer for the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council election constituency number 18 Maukar Thor Grab in the state of Meghalaya, hereby certify that on the 24th day of February 2025, I hereby declare Shri Strong Pillar Kharjana of VPP Voice of the People Party, resident of Jayawala Lane, to have been duly elected from the said constituency to be a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, and that in token thereof I have granted to him the certificate of election.
Kejinjab juga, nanti kejinjab juga, nanti kejinjab jam 4 jam Maukar konstitusi. Kita ketika ega bang asuh tu nak apa ni kalau pakai. Nanti kejing trace sistem tentang apa? Nanti kejing trace sistem jam kipat ayah kita trace sistem kita jangan. Dan member kita sistem kipat kamtam kilong kami.
Atau musim nak kerja job lagi silent vote sebab musim nak pergi kita buat no.
Yes, ya kata no doubt kajing sisai kata ki silent voter dan ni benda jadi hak job ya ni nak semua nak serum seneng bro. Ai kendo bang ngasuh ya kata jing tray joki jar nopo. Kelam kajing tip jonga lagi dan benda tray nonton job.